Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you the top 3 ways to buy Bitcoin in 2020. And I'm not just going to talk about it, I'm going to go ahead and do actual purchases. You're going to get to see what it's like and see the actual fees and all the stuff like that. Okay, so here we are on my iPhone. All of these apps are also available on Android, and Coinbase is also available on the web. So you can access it through your favorite internet browser. So we're gonna go through each of these. I'm gonna show you how to actually buy Bitcoin with them. First, let's open up Coinbase. So here's the home screen for Coinbase. You can see your portfolio balance up at the top. These are some of the coins and tokens that I have watched. And it's pretty straightforward once you set up your account and link your bank account or your debit card. Also point out there will be links down in the description for each of these. If you sign up through my Coinbase link, we will both get $10 in Bitcoin for free. So in order to purchase Bitcoin on Coinbase, you want to tap the button in the bottom center. It's going to give us this little pop-up, and then we can sort of say what we want to do. And we want to tap buy crypto with cash. You can also deposit cash onto your Coinbase account and then do it that way. We're just showing like the simple way to buy it straight up. So then we want to tap on Bitcoin at the top. You will have your linked accounts here in the center, so you can choose which one you want. I'll go ahead and show both of them. So let's just type in $5, and this is using my debit card. So we can tap preview buy, and we can see the BTC price, the Coinbase fee, which is 99 cents, which is pretty high, and the total, which is $5. So really I'm only getting about $4 of Bitcoin on a $5 purchase. And also note that the price that they're giving me at is 10,224. And if we go back here, we can see that Bitcoin is actually at 10,170. So they're kind of getting me right there a little bit as well. So let's go ahead and go to my bank account, type in $5. I'm pretty sure it's the same exact fee. Yep, you can see that as well there. So either way, let's do my debit card, $5. Tap preview buy. So Coinbase fees pretty high, but let's just tap buy now. And successfully purchased. And if we come to the Bitcoin screen, we can actually see all of my recent purchases here. So you can see the one at the top of the history, $5 right there. So there's Coinbase. Also have videos on my channel on how to sell Bitcoin using Coinbase as well, so you can check that out if you're interested. Let's hop to Robinhood. So Robinhood is primarily for stocks, but they do allow Bitcoin and a few other cryptocurrencies as well. Same thing as Coinbase. If you sign up using my link, we can both get a free stock, and that can be valued up to $500. So for Robinhood, you kind of have to send money over, and then you have this wallet, which is buying power. So this is basically your cash wallet on Robinhood. So you can see I have like $94 in here, and that can take a few days to transfer the money over. So you need to do that first. You need to send money to your Robinhood account. Then you can scroll down to cryptocurrencies. We can tap Bitcoin. You can scroll down to see some more information there. So I do own a little bit of Bitcoin on here. Then we can tap buy. You can type in the amount that you want. So let's put $5. It's going to give us the estimated price and the estimated amount of BTC that we get. So you can see we get a lot more BTC here than on Coinbase. So let's tap review. It's going to give us the details. Let's just swipe up and submit that. Just like that, we've purchased $5 more of Bitcoin. Can tap done. If you want to see our order details, you can come to the user icon in the bottom right corner, come to statements and history, come to past 30 days. You can see that there at the top. I purchased $10 this morning and $5 right now. You can tap on that and see all of the details. You can also see on the Bitcoin screen, if I scroll down to your position, you can see that I had like $11 and something in here before, and now I have 16. Also, if you want to sell this, I have videos on my channel that show you exactly how to sell your Bitcoin on Robinhood, so you could check that out and learn how. Now let's come to Cash App. This is the home screen right here. We want to go to the wallet screen first. So once you set this up, you'll have to add money to your wallet. Also note, if you sign up for Cash App using my link down in the description, we will both get $5 for free. So this is the money I have available in my wallet. You can add money to this instantly through your debit card or bank account. You don't have to do any waiting period, so that's nice. Then you want to come to the squiggly line icon in the tab bar. This is the investment section. So they have stocks and Bitcoin. I do some some experiments with both of these on my YouTube channel, so you can check out those if you're interested. Let's go ahead and go to the Bitcoin tab. It's going to give you all of the information about Bitcoin here. All of your recent purchases will be down here under activity. You can just tap buy. You can tap any of these quick amounts or tap the three dots, type in the amount that you want. So let's type $5, tap next, scan our fingerprint. Then it's going to give us our order details here. So we can see on a $5 purchase, we have a 28-cent fee. So that's quite a bit better than Coinbase. Not as good as Robinhood. I don't even think Robinhood has fees. But we'll talk about some of the downsides to Robinhood in a second here. So $5, it's going to cost me $5.28. And let's tap confirm. Just like that, we've purchased Bitcoin. We can tap done. Added to our Bitcoin balance here. We can scroll down to activity. You can see this purchase right here. Let's go ahead and check out the amounts of Bitcoin that each of these gave us. This gave us about 0.0004912. Come to Robinhood. This one gave us about the same exact thing, 0.00049102. Now let's come to Coinbase. And this one gave us 0.0003922 for $5. So Coinbase, the worst out of those. If you're doing larger amounts, these fees aren't going to be nearly as noticeable. But that just gives you a little bit of insight to the fees for each of these. My favorite is Cash App. It's just the easiest to use by far. It's not even close. Just the way that the wallets are set up, the instant transfer, stuff like that. I think it's the best route to go for beginners. I also have videos on each of these called like, is Coinbase legit? Is Cash App legit? Is Robinhood legit? And it sort of talks about the legitimacy of their Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and talk about that a little bit. So starting with Coinbase. Coinbase, about as legit as it gets when it comes to these apps where you can buy crypto. What you want to look for is you want to have an actual wallet. That way you can send your Bitcoin off of this app, or you can send Bitcoin to this app. And you can see I actually have a wallet here. So it gives me this string of letters and numbers. That's my wallet address. So I could send Bitcoin to this address. I could also send money off of this. And that's really something you want to look for. Now let's come to Robinhood. Now Robinhood doesn't have that. So Robinhood is the least legit for Bitcoin out of the three of these. You could almost call it fake, because there's no wallet, there's no way to send Bitcoin to this, there's no way to send Bitcoin off of this. It's kind of just like they're faking it. So like diehard crypto enthusiasts, the real crypto people, are definitely going to be staying away from this. Robinhood is a pretty big and respectable company. As far as I know, they haven't done wrong by anyone, so the likeliness of just losing your Bitcoin or losing all of your money there is pretty slim. And they do seem to have no fees for Bitcoin, so that's a plus. Last one, Cash App. This is also pretty legit. You have a Bitcoin address, you can send Bitcoin to this address, you can withdraw Bitcoin. So it is a legitimate wallet as well. And there you have it, my top 3 apps for buying Bitcoin in 2020. My top one is Cash App. It's just the fastest, the easiest to set up, the easiest interface, everything like that. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I will try and answer those. Definitely check out the other videos on the channel. There's tons of tutorials and information to help you guys with this stuff. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go